Okay, so I already set this up for you, but this is basically how I did it. If you hit the options button at the bottom of HealBot, under tips, these two are going to be selected. You need to click those off. Go under spells. This is your left button, what happens when you hit the left button both on shift click and on regular click. I set it up so on regular click you have rejuvenation. It was something else at first, but the way I did that is a little question mark to the right. If you click on that, it's set up as whatever it is. If you click on this, it brings down the options menu. You select rejuvenation and hit select, and it'll change it to rejuvenation. The second button was nourish, so we changed that to nourish and we click OK. If you use a 3-button mouse, like I do, I set up the middle button this way. The middle button is Swift Mend. You change that the same way. You click the question mark. Oops. You go to Swift Mend, you hit select, and it changes it to Swift Mend. The third button, so the right button, I set up as Wild Growth, same way. Wild Growth here. Nature Swiftness I set up as the shift. So when you hold down the shift key and you hit the right button, you get something different. The way I set that up is Nature Swiftness is under other spells instead of under healing spells because it's not really a healing spell. So you'll find it under other spells, you select Nature Swiftness, and then you hit select. So you see now when I click on different spells and abilities, different buttons, that it'll do different things, including you just saw I popped off Nature Swiftness. You see the area of effect healing at the ground for Nourish, or whatever that was. I think that's Nourish or Wild Growth or whatever it is. But anyway, that's it. Real simple.